Next weather meteorologist Dave Warren is joining us now with what's next, Dave.
Yeah, what's next is warmer temperatures out here. They are back. You can feel them right now. The warming trend continues. Getting a little more humid into this weekend, and that moisture eventually may lead to a few rain showers coming up this week. 82 right now. Feeling the warmer temperatures, the breeze turned to the southeast about 5-10 miles an hour. That may increase speed here, possibly by the end of the weekend. You might notice the wind starting to pick up just a bit. And once the wind picks up out of the south, brings in a little more moisture, we'll keep an eye on the next radar network, a number of them scanning for any activity. Pretty quiet today, but by the end of the weekend, we might start to see these showers increasing a bit. Temperatures have increased. Now, there's one or two places still reporting 79 degrees, but otherwise, Broward County into the lower 80s. Many locations there in Miami-Dade into the lower 80s. Checking in with the Keys there, we have 82 in Marathon, still 79 degrees is that temperature there in Key West. Now, the breeze is out of the southeast, bringing in the warmer temperatures. Maybe seeing a few clouds developing over the interior as you get a little breeze coming in from the Gulf side, meeting up with that Atlantic breeze right over the interior. So possibly a spot of blue or two. That's one place you could see a shower. You might see these clouds building in the western sky. 6 o'clock tonight, all quiet and warm. 11 o'clock tonight, mostly clear, but we'll keep an eye on these showers there just up to the north. That's a front which is stalling. Does not make it here to South Florida. The clouds stay along that by Friday morning. If you're up early, you step outside to partly cloudy skies, bright sunshine on the way once the sun comes up. Maybe just a little cooler over the interior here. By about 8-9 o'clock in the morning, passing clouds. There it is at noon Friday. How about your Friday afternoon and evening? Well, it looks pretty dry. Those showers coming in from the interior, but still very warm as that front stays to the north. We're calling that for the rest of the week today and tomorrow. The weekend, we'll see a few showers continuing to increase here up to the north. That's a front which stays to the north, so we'll keep it dry and warm. But as the breeze turns a bit more to the south, maybe even the southwest, moisture increases a bit. Maybe could see a few stray showers pushing into the area. We're in the lower 80s right now. We'll drop into the mid 70s and eventually the upper 60s by 11 o'clock tonight. Breeze pretty consistent out of the south at about 5-10 miles an hour. Take you through Friday, starting into the 60s there, but then quickly warming up into the upper 70s, lower 80s by noon to 1 o'clock. So a very quick warm up in the morning once that breeze picks up, hovering into the mid to low 70s there for your evening. The Atlantic coastal waters, 1 to 2 foot seas, light chop in the bays. We'll start to see these winds increasing a bit over the weekend, coming in from the south about 10 knots. Extended forecast, we have temperatures into the mid to low 80s. Now look at the weekend here from Saturday to Sunday. It starts pretty warm and mild out of the 60s into the lower 80s, but look at what happens on Sunday there. The breeze picks up out of the south about 10 to 15 miles an hour, pretty gusty, and that could bring in a little more moisture, increasing our showers Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.